to Jack's Treasures. It is nighttime. Tracy and I have been working all day to do this. We emptied out a 26-foot U-Haul. Okay?
That was full.
That was full. All right, this is stuff right here that we're giving to Goodwill and some scrap metal. We're going to come pick those up with the truck when we get back. This is our maze. A maze of amazing items, okay? We got some furniture over here. We got boxes and furniture over here. Furniture pieces down here. We got tubs
Boxes,
and
boxes,
right here.
boxes,
Coming around
boxes,
over this
boxes.
way. We got a bed frame over here, furniture over here, more boxes over here. We got some luggage things over
Random stuff.
here. Tubs over here. Tubs and boxes over here. Tubs over here. We have this cool air compressor, 27-gallon. Okay, it works. It's Coleman. Okay, we're gonna try to get $300 for it. But if somebody wants it right now, you message
Any of our
me.
friends need one?
Yeah,
$200.
Okay, right there. All right. We got this furniture right here, which the table for that one shattered in the truck.
Oh, it was terrible.
So it was awful and stuff. We got
It was
some
scary.
pieces over here. This is all from the other unit. And then we
Got some more furniture in here.
We got this over here, some chairs over there, glasses over here.
Pizza, because we had to refuel.
We need some energy. As you can tell, we are probably a little bit high on exhaustion right now.
Yes,
No
and
offense.
pizza.
Oh, by the way, don't forget about these chairs here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the speaker box over there, the two work tables, benches over there. Okay, oh yeah, and our salad. Which was really
Because
good, by the way.
we had to have
We
greens.
actually got 4.
Yeah.
So, we got a couple boxes. We're
Yeah,
excited.
we've actually, I want to do 3 boxes because I want to go through, I want to do that taped box too.
You want to do this one?
I want to do
this one first.
the taped box here.
This one first.
Because I think this is cool. I think this is going to be cool.
All right. So this is Tracy thinks it's going to be cool box.
Yes.
There you go.
Because it's fragile.
It is definitely fragile.
It is wrapped.
It is wrapped. Wrap is generally good.
It looks like a picture.
Oh, it looks like a really old picture too. Well, maybe not.
Or
so
maybe
much old.
made to look old.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I
it's
guess
definitely
going to
marked
be
on the bottom.
70s.
99. Crystal Nick 99.
That's yeah, that is a 99. This is a pretty nice little piece right here.
Definitely something we can look up with the markings like that on there.
Yeah. If anything else, that's going in the booth for $15.
And this also, the stuff in here looks like that one is marked with the same thing.
Oh,
So
cool.
we
Okay,
might
let's see
have
what we
us,
got here.
I don't know, it could be a local artist. That's a possibility.
These look like, oh, I'm glad I didn't say. All right, we got some pottery right here. Really cool. No
Unmarked.
markings on it, but still good stuff.
Yeah, that'll sell in the booth.
This looks like a star fruit. Yep.
Glass. Yep.
It's
Glass?
I think it's,
Yeah, ceramic.
Ceramic. Okay.
That's cool. It looks very real, very realistic.
Yeah, very cool looking piece right here. I think this might be a pepper.
I'm wondering if that's supposed to be a fruit bowl, and this is
Or a
fruit.
vegetable fruit bowl.
Yeah, or a bowl to put.
That's a mango.
mango.
Yeah.
Mango.
This is another mango right here, I think. Yep.
Well, that's a
Another
mango, and this is something different. Maybe like a papaya
Oh, it might be a papaya. You never know.
or a passion
Looks
fruit.
like something that you would put on your table
Right.
in the very 1970-ish.
Style, but obviously it was dated a different year. There's some more little vases.
Little bowls. Yeah, not marked, but really cool.
Love that
This is one that
style.
goes like that,
Yeah.
too. So these are cool right there. Those are definitely going to sell. All right. It looks like we got another little one right here. It looks like a strawberry.
I'm thinking
Oh, this is an ashtray.
what's that fruit that has the little
Passion fruit?
seeds inside of it?
Passion fruit?
No. What are those called? They got the little tiny seeds inside of them. I don't know, but that might not be it. That may be a artichoke. But I'm trying to think of the
Okay.
one that has the little tiny seeds inside of them.
Aunt Patrice, calling you out.
Yes, what type of fruit
What kind
or
of fruit
vegetable is that?
Vegetable is this?
What is the one that has the little tiny bits inside of them?
I don't know.
I don't know either. They're good.
Oh, that is cool.
I don't know what that
No, but
is.
It's chipped all around on this side right there. I don't know what it's going to do with that. I'll have to look it up, see if it's got value. Looks like a dish.
Oh,
Yeah.
that almost looks, well,
It's
it's
a
not
hanging
marked.
one.
I was going to say it looks similar in style to that, but it doesn't appear to be
It
marked.
looks
Oh,
like it's got like a bird right here or something like that.
no, that's not a marking, yeah.
No. Okay, but
Cool.
very, very cool looking. Okay.
And that one is the one where I said it is definitely marked.
Yes.
Crystal.
And this is definitely what all of that fruit and
Like a fruit
vegetables
bowl.
go into it. Some nice,
That is
cool,
gorgeous. I love
beautiful.
that.
I like
Yep.
that. It looks almost handmade too.
Crystal.
2000.
Yep. And we have some more fruit here. I'm not going to make you unwrap all the fruit.
Yeah,
There's
that's
no-
a star fruit.
Yeah, there's no need to unwrap all the fruit here on camera. There's a lemon, a lime, another star fruit,
This looks like something papaya or something.
a couple more
Passion
limes.
fruit. That was what that one was there.
We're not good with fruit.
No,
Well,
this is an apple.
We eat a lot of fruit, but we
do.
eat kind of like more typical fruits.
Okay, and then we got a really cool pillow.
They were just using that for cushion.
Yes.
But yeah, I just had a feeling that was going to be some pretty
This is
neat
a
stuff.
very cool box right
Yes.
here. Okay. Got a little bit
Fruit
of the meow
basket.
factor.
I like the meow factor there.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to look up that artist and see what we find there.
Let me hear the meow factor.
Meow.
There it is. All right. And this one's fragile. Top of cabinet. Grandma and Grandpa Cooper's.
Yeah. When I read that, I thought it said Grandma and Grandpa Cooper, and I was afraid we might have found some ashes, which scared me. But then I saw that it was Grandma and Grandpa Cooper's. So hopefully we just have some cool old decor.
Yeah, because we did find some.
We did find some ashes in this unit, but
Dakota, we think it was a
we think it
dog.
was a dog. Oh. This
that's
is
awesome.
old.
Yeah.
This is very, very, very antique right there.
Yeah.
That's going to take some searching on that. That is
That's
super cool. Alpro's Pineapple Preserves.
Oh,
That's some milk glass. Yep.
And it's got ridges on the inside right there.
Milk glass always does well in the antique booth.
Yeah. Oh,
That's,
beautiful.
What is that called? Is that like depression glass or carnival glass?
carnival
That's what
glass.
that's called.
Except for it's not red.
It can be different colors, I think.
This is beautiful.
That is gorgeous. Double checking. We're asking my mom on that, but I think that's carnival glass. Let me show it again, like the full piece.
Show it in some light.
Mom, is this carnival glass? That is gorgeous.
I love that piece.
Beautiful.
That to me right there is a good $50 piece.
I don't know. Some of that glassware will surprise you, but that is beautiful.
Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Oh my God.
Oh,
and it's metal.
old tin cup, Mickey
Yeah.
Mouse. Love that.
Yep. That is cool. This feels like a Coke.
Old Coke bottle, maybe.
It is an old Coke
Ooh.
bottle. Becker's or Wreckers. C.G. Wrecker.
G-Wreckers.
Yeah, that is so cool. Shoot, your mom might have drinking out of this thing.
That looks older than my mother, right
Like
there.
I said, your mom might have
That is
drank
a
over
very old bottle.
it. Your mom might have drank out of that.
That looks, oh,
Pluto.
Pluto.
Yeah, you got Mickey and Pluto. Okay. And this one looks like it's going to go, that looks like a fish thing. Yes, it is.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it's a fish thing right there.
That is a Inarco Japan
Yeah.
yellow perch.
Yellow perch.
Super cool.
Super
That's
awesome.
not super duper old on there. I'm guessing maybe 60s on that.
Might be another, no? It's Disney,
Just
ain't
a-
got nothing on it.
Plain one.
Yeah, just a plain one. There.
And then we have a some kind of waterfowl, like a, I don't know, heron or something.
A duck.
It's not a duck. What would you call this? Is that a heron?
That right there?
Stork?
Stork. Yep, that is a stork. Beautiful. And a pine cone. There's
That was a
everything
fun
you
box.
need. Yeah, another Meow Factor box. Let's hear it.
Meow.
Love it. All right.
And we
Now
have
for all of our male watchers.
a box that we actually know what's inside of it because it was clear. And of course, Brian got very excited about this
did.
box. because it's video games.
Oh my good goodness! Look at this.
We love video
We
games.
do like video games as long as they're in there, and it is in there.
And these are Sega Genesis, which
Sega
aren't
Genesis.
as desirable as a lot of the Nintendo ones, but you know what?
This
I
one
listed,
is right here.
It's about $14.
Okay, well I know what I'm. Oh, there's the Sega Genesis.
Yep.
Right there.
High Seas Havoc. I don't know that game.
Yep, I know I'm gonna be listing these tonight. Because we always like to list stuff. Look at these. And
Yep.
there's just games galore.
And we got some strategy guides.
Yeah.
And got some manuals for some N64 games. So I'm really thinking we're going to find some N64 games. Because we have actually already found some other.
And that's a
manuals.
very, very clean Sega Genesis.
Yes, it
unlike
is.
the other ones. And since this one has all of the power cords and everything like that, I'll literally
We'll hook
be
it
able to
up.
hook this one
Yep.
up and make sure that it works okay. But yeah, I saw this one. I knew I was grabbing it, but we got video games. My good goodness, okay?
Got a very antique canister here that I think is
That is
amazingly old. I mean, that'll look great in the booth if we don't wind up doing anything else with it.
And a lot of these boxes were labeled. Some of them were labeled comics. One of them was yellow milk glass.
Yeah.
Some of them said donate food, clothes, miscellaneous. Another one said garage sale shit. Those are its words, not mine.
Amanda, California. I mean, we have ones that there's one that literally says 2 waffle irons, which cracked me up because for months I was looking for a new waffle iron for my mom out of a storage unit and I couldn't find one, and I eventually just broke down and bought her a waffle iron for
There you go,
Christmas.
blue dishes. Fragile. It already fell twice.
But
All right, we just wanted to make a short video for you today because quite literally we are exhausted. I'm going to sit in this really cool rocking
Yeah.
chair to end this.
we are about to go return our U-Haul truck
Yes.
and maybe get some coffee at
Oh, we're definitely
somewhere,
going to be getting coffee.
'cause I'm cold
Tracy
now.
Put her foot down on that.
yeah,
And then we're going to actually come back here, get the stuff that's outside, and then
for Goodwill
actually go
and
home.
take that home and
And
deal with that tomorrow.
Just relax a little bit. I'm going to list some of those games.
Yep.
Just to get some listings up there. But I'm telling you right now, folks, I have the greatest job in the world with the greatest wife in the world. I mean, I don't know how many people can just enjoy doing this type of work. We're literally all day yesterday we loaded a truck, all day today we unloaded a truck. But during the unloading, we had 6 pickups today. One of them canceled on me, but it didn't matter because the item that she wanted to pick up, I ended up selling to one of my other customers.
Who's a repeat customer?
Who's a repeat
She's
customer.
an awesome lady.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna give a shout out to Bridget. She's
Yes.
awesome. And Prior Military, thank you for your service.
Yep.
Okay, and so we had a bunch of pickups, so we made money today.
Took
on
a
the
nice long
marketplace.
break in the middle of the day and hung out with our neighbor here, Mark.
Those are another awesome person who helped me unload one of those pieces that is just a ginormous. Can't wait to put it up on the marketplace. But please like, share, subscribe, talk about us with your friends and everything. Like
Leave a
that.
comment
Just
below.
posting everything.
And we will see you tomorrow
Yes,
because we will be working over here tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, if we're still alive.
Bye.
Bye bye.